I'm WeAreUoN and I've just finished my first year studying medicine here at the University of Nottingham. I'll leave my social media here on the screen, so feel free to head over if you want to know more about me. So I remember last year when I was moving out to halls, it was an extremely exciting experience, but it was also quite daunting as it was a big change and there was so many new things that I had to get used to. But I did find that taking a little reminder of things from home, which made me feel happy and content to university, did help me adjust to my new surroundings and to living away from home. So I'm going to give you my days of home comforts that you can bring with you to uni to help you adjust to uni life and of course to make your uni room feel a bit more cozy and a bit more homey. So the first thing that I would advise you take with you are some printed out photos. So I've always been in a habit of printing out pictures at the end of every single month, and last year during lockdown with nothing to do, I made a scrapbook out of some of these photos. I had this scrapbook up on a shelf in my room at home, and then I took it with me to uni and put it up on a shelf again. And that was just a really nice memorabilia that I had with me. It was something significant and quite sentimental. So with some other photos, I made a photo wall, which is a section of wall absolutely plastered in pictures of my best friends, my family, and as the year went on, I added some pictures of my friends from uni. It was just so nice to have pictures of people who I love and people who care about me up on my wall, and that meant when I was in my room, I was surrounded by fun memories and good times. So something else I recommend for your room is some sort of mood lighting. So you can bring fairy lights, or what's been more popular recently are your LED strip lights. These add a really nice vibe to your room, especially when it's dark with the main lights turned off. These next few things are things I advise you bring to make your uni room a really cozy place. This is going to be where you sleep, where you can hang out with your friends, and if your lecture's still online like mine are, you might spend a lot of time in your room whilst attending your lectures. So you want to make this a really comfortable place and somewhere you can just call your own. So bring with you some cushions for your bed or even your desk chair, some throws, a cozy blanket, some comfy bedding, and if you're really girly like me, bring with you a pretty bed set. So anyone who knows me knows my favourite colour is pink, and my go-to colour scheme is pink and grey. So of course I had with me a few different pink and grey bed sets. Another thing you can bring with you to add to the coziness of your uni room is a mattress topper. So it's no secret that university beds aren't the comfiest, but bringing a mattress topper really enhances the level of comfort that you're going to experience after a long day of lectures. Like I've already said, your uni room is your own space. You want to add your own personality to it. I like really fresh and nice smelling stuff. I brought with me some diffusers and room sprays, and these are better to bring with you over candles as you actually aren't allowed candles in university rooms. It would be nice to replicate your room as much as you can, again, so you get that homey feel and that comfort when you are in your uni room. You can bring with you a plant pot if you have a plant pot in your room, or any posters of your favourite celebrities, things like that. Whatever you've got is going to bring you that extra level of comfort and really bring the feeling of home with you to university. Of course, home comforts isn't just limited to your university room, and it can also include things like your favourite t-shirt that you can wear throughout the week, or even your favourite mug. So when you do make that cup of coffee in the morning, it's just like you're at home. The only thing that isn't there is your mum nagging at you to wash the dishes. So those are just a few home comforts I recommend that you bring with you to university to help ease the transition phase and adjusting to your new and exciting uni life. If you're a fresher watching this video, I want to say a massive welcome to University of Nottingham, and after just 1 year here, I can confidently tell you that you are going to love life as a University of Nottingham student. There's so much to offer and it's just so fun and exciting. If you did enjoy this video, please leave it a like and remember to subscribe to University of Nottingham's channel so you can hear more from students like me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!